Subject-verb agreement. Intro.
First of all, let me explain what subject and the verb are. To do this, I'll take a simple example. Jack loves math. A subject is the person, thing, or idea that is doing something or is described in a sentence. Normally, it's always in the beginning of a sentence. It usually answers the question who or what. Can you guess which word here is a subject? Right, Jack. The verb, on the other hand, is the action word in a sentence. It usually answers the question, what does the subject do? So what's the subject here? Correct, loves.
Part 2. When subject and verb agree.
Subject-verb agreement is a grammatical rule that dictates that the verb in a sentence must agree in number with the subject. In simpler terms, it means that a singular subject should be paired with a singular verb, and a plural subject should be paired with a plural verb. This agreement ensures that the sentences are grammatically correct and clear. Again, some examples. Victor lives in Paris. Now let's analyze it. The subject is Victor. Victor is a man, and the word Victor is singular here. So we can replace it with he. And here we recall that in present simple, the verb after he, she, it takes the ending s or es. So he lives in Paris is correct. Another example. Students is studying now. And follow the same steps. Subject students has an ending s, so it's plural. So we can replace it with they. Now the verb is studying. Here we recall that it's present progressive or continuous. Its structure is be plus verb plus ing ending. So we should recall the verb be. I am, you are, he, she, it is, we are, they are. So can we say they is? Of course not. So this sentence is incorrect. And can you guess the correct one? Alright, students are studying now. Now, when you understand the general idea, you can subscribe, put like, and head for the next part.
Part 3. Main 5 rules of the essay.
Rule 1. Singular subjects joined by the word and are generally plural. For example, Mike and Terry equals they enjoy playing football. A cat and a dog equals they are animals. Rule number 2. Indefinite pronouns like someone, anyone, no one, somebody, anybody, nobody, one, either, neither, usually take a singular verb. For example, nobody likes cockroaches. Somebody is here. Rule number 3. Nouns used with quantifiers, some, any, all, most, can be singular or plural. This depends on whether the noun is countable or uncountable. Let's take the most amazing example with the word paper. Some paper is in the drawer. Here we talk about paper in general, it's material, so it's uncountable and it's singular. Some papers were found in the folder. Here, papers means documents, so it's plural, countable noun. We can count documents. 1 document, 2 documents, 3 documents. Rule number 4. After a subject joined by either or, neither nor, not only, but also, the verb agrees with the subject nearest to it. For example, neither the lecturer nor the students want to reschedule the class. So want agrees with the word students. Alternatively, either his colleagues or Larry makes this happen. Here, makes agrees with Larry. Rule number 5. There is and there are agrees with the verb that follows. There is flexibility in this kind of management. One, flexibility. There are many advantages in exercising. Advantages, plural. To sum up, you always should look for the subject and the verb in each sentence and connect them. Make them agree with each other. Of course, you need to remember, recall, and know many grammar rules from elementary to advanced and practice that on a daily basis. That's why feel free to do that in my application at app.anglomowa.com.
Either the cat or the dogs, away when the door is open. Neither the students nor the teacher, the complex math problem. Somebody, conducting experiments to find a cure for the disease. Policing investigating the crime. The book and the letter been placed on the shelf.